the Drip app here, and I'm going to show you how to connect and how to install, connect, and set up your Drip actions in Workflow. This is to enable you, it's going to permit you to create some subscribers, tag subscribers, delete subscribers, or remove subscriber tags from Drip passing through your workflows. We are going to get a quick start by going into GHL plugin. You log in into your GHL plugin account, then you can go to workflow apps. When you click on workflow apps, you're going to see the list of different apps available and installed apps. So you can search in this search bar, you type in Drip. When it pops up, you click on it. It's going to open a new tab, which is going to enable you to select your GHL. This is a step that permits you to install the app to your GHL agency. Now, when you click on the agency, you need to enable these checkboxes. After enabling them, you click on the proceed button, and that has been done. The installation is completed. Now what's left to be done is to connect the apps. How do you connect the apps? If this is your first app that you're connecting or installing on GHL plugin, then you need to set up a custom menu link for that. How do you set up a custom menu link? This step concerns just those who have not yet installed any other app on GHL plugin. If you've had this done already before, you can just skip this step. You're just going to get a quick run through on how to add the custom menu link. You copy the custom menu link from your GHL account, then you go to your agency, you switch to agency view on your GHL account, you go to settings, and here you can go to custom menu link. Under custom menu links, you can click on the button create new. You select an icon, you select any icon of your choice, you put in the name of the menu you want to appear on the sidebar, then you paste in the link that you copied earlier from GHL plugin. Here you're going to put up the settings to your preference. That's checking if you want to use some specific accounts or all sub accounts. Then you're going to finish by saving. When saved, everything has been set for your custom menu link. Then you're going to simply switch to the sub account you want to use and go to the custom menu link that you set up. When it opens, you can see the apps that you've installed. You have the available apps and you have the connected apps. The available apps are the apps that you've installed, and the connected apps are the ones that you need to connect to your various respective apps like distance, location, and all. Now, I'm going to search under here my Drip because I've connected Drip already. In your case, you're going to search under. Now, when you click on Drip, it's going to ask you to put in the API key and enter your account ID. How do you get these variables from Drip account? So you need to log into your Drip account. You log into your Drip account, and I'm going to show you quickly how to get these variables. You click on your profile, you go to your name. When you click on your name, you scroll downwards, you're going to see your account ID. You can copy your account ID and go back, then you paste the account ID. Now, the second variable was the API key. To get the API key, you go on your profile, go to user settings. Under user settings, you scroll to the bottom where you're going to see the API token. Now you copy the API token and you come back and paste it here. When you get all those variables and paste them here, you can save by clicking on the submit button. When that is done, your app has successfully been connected. And now, how do you use this app? You just need to go into workflows, which is pretty simple and straightforward. You go into workflows and you're going to, when you want to add an action, you're going to see the list of actions. I'm going to do a quick search on Drip. We have Drip services. Now you can see the various actions we can carry out to Drip. We can create or update subscriber, tag subscriber, delete subscriber, or remove a subscriber tag right from our workflow on the Drip app. These are the various actions for the moment. With time, we'll be adding more actions. These are the basic actions that we have, and you can use them to connect your workflows to Drip for the moment. If you have any issue connecting this app, installing, or whatsoever the question you have, you can let us know and we'll be able to join you or even on the call to assist you in whatever way you want.